Imagine this. You've just unboxed your shiny new Ooma phone, eager to start making calls and saving money. But then you're hit with a wall activation. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find the activation process a bit confusing. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps one by one, so you can be up and running in no time. Step 1. Check your kit. Before we get started, let's make sure you have everything you need. Your Ooma phone kit should include the following: the Ooma phone itself, a base station, an Ethernet cable, power adapter. If you're missing anything, you'll need to contact Ooma customer support *. Step 2. Connect your base station. Now, let's connect your base station. Here's how. Plug the power adapter into the base station and then into a wall outlet. Connect the Ethernet cable to the base station and your internet router. Once the base station is connected, you should see a light on the front that indicates it's powered on *. Step 3. Register your Ooma account. Next, you'll need to register for an Ooma account. Here's how. Go to the Ooma website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Once you've submitted the form, you should receive an email with a confirmation link. Click on the link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you'll be able to access your Ooma dashboard. Step 4. Add your phone to your account. Now, it's time to add your phone to your account. Here's how. Log in to your Ooma dashboard. Click on the Devices tab. Click on the Add Device button. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your phone. Once your phone is added, you should be able to see it listed under the Devices tab. Step 5. Configure your phone. Now that your phone is added to your account, you'll need to configure it. Here's how. Plug the phone into the base station. Wait a few minutes for the phone to register with the base station. Once the phone is registered, you should be able to make and receive calls. If you're having trouble configuring your phone, you may need to consult the phone's manual *. Step 6. Test your phone. Now that your phone is configured, it's time to test it. Here's how. Call a friend or family member. Make sure you can hear them clearly and that they can hear you clearly. If you're having trouble, try restarting your phone and base station. If you're still having trouble, you may need to contact Ooma customer support *. That's it. You've successfully activated your Ooma phone. You can now start making calls and saving money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.